In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Microsoft Teams from all of your devices. It's a quick and easy process that can be completed in just a few minutes. Your Microsoft Teams account may be logged into multiple devices, and sometimes you need to sign out from all of them, whether for security reasons or simply to ensure you're not accidentally leaving an active session open somewhere. Let's get started with this straightforward guide. First off, to manage your devices and sessions, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Microsoft Teams website. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in with your credentials if you aren't already logged in. Enter your email address and password and you're in. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, just follow the additional steps to verify your identity. Logging in might seem like a no-brainer, but it's an essential first step to access your account settings. Now that you're logged in to Microsoft Teams, the next step is to locate your profile icon. This usually appears in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on your profile icon will open a drop-down menu that shows a variety of options related to your account. It's here that you'll find the settings you need to manage your devices. Scroll through the drop-down menu until you find the Sign Out button. It's typically near the bottom of the list because it's one of the last things you'd normally use during a session. Once you see it, simply click on Sign Out. This action won't just log you out of the current device you're on, it signals the system to terminate your sessions across all devices. That's the beauty of signing out through the web app, it ensures you're covering all your bases in one go. Logging out of all your devices can give you peace of mind, knowing that unauthorized access is minimized. It's a great practice, especially after you've used a public or shared computer. Keep in mind, if you have multiple accounts, you will need to repeat these steps for each one. And that wraps things up. Remember, practicing good digital hygiene, like regularly signing out of your sessions, is crucial for maintaining your online security. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more resources available in the description box. See you in the next video.